Friends, in this video, we will know that how we can create a data collection form online, and after the data collection form has been created, how you can get the response online and how you can see the response in Excel file. So let's start. So this is a dummy example of a form that I have created already. This is a farmer survey type of form. In this I have done farmer survey for area of crops. In these three parameters I have used like date, from which state farmer belongs, and if Punjab, which district he belongs. So let's know how we can start to create a data form. So just click on that link, forms.office.com. When I clicked on the form, you will get a web page like this. Just you click on the get started button. After clicking get started button, you will get a web page like this. Here you have to sign in if you have already have an account in Microsoft. Otherwise you can create an account in Microsoft by clicking on the create one. So it is like we create a email ID. So I have created my created my account. So I will start. Simple Technologies 3@gmail.com, and I will put my password. So this type of page will open. Here you have to click on the new form. By clicking on new form, this page will appear. Here you click on the untitled form. Here you will give the title like farmer survey. So I will enter a description in farmer survey. What do you want? Like I want paddy information. So let's start. Here I will click on add new. After clicking on add new, there are four things we are seeing, that choice, text, rating and date. So I always start with the date. So first of all I will click on the date. When I click on the date, I will just then I will put here, I will click on that button. So that means that question is required. When you want your user to fill that form, that question is required. So now I will click on the second question. Now I will put on the button text. Here the location of your farm. So he can put the answer that from which location he is belonging and from where his farm is located. So this question is also required. Now third, again I will just click on choice button. What do you mean by choice? In choice, you give options to farmers, like 2 options, 3 options, 4 options of irrigation is available. So I will put on option 1, groundwater, and option 2, canal. So here I will just click on and I will put drop down. So now I will click on add new button. Here I will again put text. So I will ask him what is the area of paddy in acre. So this question is also, answer is also required. what is yield of paddy in quintal. So if I want that question in numeric, so what I will do, I will just click on that button. I will put on restriction, so a number will come, or we can have option of greater than, equal to, less than, or less than equal to. So this type, from that we can see that our form is ready. This is just a dummy form. So I will just click on preview button. That is how my form looks. When I click on preview button, see here we will choose a date. We can choose a date. What is location of farm? Like I am choosing my location, Hoshiarpur, Punjab. What type of irrigation is available? I will say canal. What is the area of paddy? So this should be in text. So I will say 25. So what is the yield? I will say 22. So like that, this form is there. You can see that form. Now I will just click on back button. Click on the send button. When I click on the send button, this has come, and this is the link from which you can copy and tell to your customer or farmer or salesman to give that link to him, that so that you can have he can click on that link and fill that form. So I will just copy that link. So I just copy that link and I will paste it and just enter it. So here see our survey form is ready. So I will just do 20, location of farm, Hoshiarpur, Punjab, groundwater 20. So here this question is tricky, that this answer should be in text and this should be in numeric. So I will say 22. So I will just submit the form. So my response has been submitted. So like that, I will just submit one other response and see what happens. See, so I have submitted 2 responses. Now I will click back on where we have created the form. So see, so I will click on the response. See, I have got 2 responses. So the result will be like that. And now I will tell you that how you can see that who has answered. Open that file. My response on 21 May 2020 at that time is also given, and this is the completion time. Email name, this is anonymous, so the date is given. I have selected 20th for first, and this is location, this type of irrigation, and this is what is the area of paddy and what is the yield of crop. So I think I am very clear to you that how we can generate a automatic data collection form